Good afternoon, Grow Me. Today is Sunday, August the 3rd. Let's look at some roots from our indoor grow. I damn if YouTube ain't just pissing me off. I got a notification from YouTube when I got home that and this has been a while now, it was a loop shots with in-shot music. It was just pictures of trichomes and in-shot music. I pay for in-shot. I have in-shot Pro. I'm allowed to use that music. Well, YouTube, this has been a while. It was loop shot. It was GSC, Girl Scout Cookies, day 5 of week 9, loop shots. And I got a notification that they globally blocked me, that video. So I just told them to remove the fucking music. But I'm getting tired of fucking YouTube. They're going out of their way to give us a hard time. Fuck it. I will go find another platform. I'm about done with YouTube. Let's look at some fucking roots. Oh, crazy black girl. Let's see what these things look like in this deep pot. See if I can get it out. Well, technical difficulties. Have to beat it down a little bit more. There we go. Not bad. Little round edges, and that's probably because I don't water around the edge of the pot, because I don't like getting that water running up the sides. But the roots were there, I guess. They're there. Solid root ball. Complete. Hell yeah. I like these tall pot scrummies. I don't care for them too much for starting off LS10, but I like what I got out of them this time. But we'll see how it goes on the second round. And we got the permanent marker. Come to look on there. I gotta water up everything out here in a minute. I didn't water anything this morning. Here she comes. Come on, bitch. Oh, switch sides here. On out there, bitch. Doggy. 2 nice filled out pots. Filled the fuck out. That's what I'm talking about. Permanent marker had a lot more moisture content. Something to take note of. Might have been able to be giving that crazy black girl a little bit more water. Okie dokie, Grummies, we got to get back after it. I hope you have a wonderful Sunday. I appreciate you muchly. I'm out of here. Peace.